This is very important in electronics to know how to read the resistance of the resistor by using color code. The very first thing which you're supposed to do, you're supposed to try to memorize the digits and corresponding colors to them, and also multipliers and tolerance. Also, you're supposed to remember how you're supposed to look at the resistor and read the resistance in correct way. When you are going to look at the 4-band resistor, you are going to see 3 bands which are next to each other. The very first band is going to represent the number. Second band is going to represent number. The third band is going to represent multiplier, in other words, number of zeros. And the fourth band represents the tolerance. Now, the tolerance is going to be most of the time gold or silver. So it means that gold and silver is the very last band. So you're supposed to start reading the resistance from the band which is different than silver or gold. How it works? Let's go to the problems.